Here's a useful script for InDesign. Export named pages. The script exports pages as images or PDFs and uses specific content from the page to name each file. I've created a simple document to demonstrate. This pretend job is real estate flyers. Nothing fancy, but enough to get the idea. Each page is a different property and agent, like a real job might be. The way the script works is to pull the file name from something on each page. To know the text for the file name, the script uses a paragraph or character style, or gets it from an image name. To demonstrate, we'll start with a paragraph style. This document uses paragraph styles agent and property, assigned like so. Let's run the script, which I already have in my scripts panel. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script Export Named Pages. Double-click to run it, which displays the interface. First thing to do is select the method to use. Choices are paragraph style, character style, or image name. We'll use paragraph style and set it to agent. Output defaults to the location of the InDesign document. Click the folder button to export elsewhere. For this first example, we'll export all pages and use PDF. Click OK and exporting begins. This document is only 3 pages, so it goes quick. For a document hundreds of pages and complex design, exporting will take more time. Over here you can see the result. 3 PDFs, each the name of the agent. The script got the names from the text assigned the agent paragraph style. That's handy. Now let's do it by property. Notice the file names are the first line of text assigned the property style. That's how it works. Only the first paragraph defines, nothing more. If you want the address, it will need to be another style, either paragraph or character. It doesn't have to look any different. It just needs to be a separate style, so the script can detect it. Go to the Paragraph Style panel and duplicate the property style. Name it Address and base it on the property style. That way, if the property style is altered, this one always follows the same format. Nothing else about the style settings need to change. In this case, we'll now have to update every instance of the address to use this new style. So keep this in mind when setting up the layout to begin with. To save time, know what you want for file name when you start. Now run the script and use the address style. And there it is. Another way to accomplish this is with a character style. Then you can be even more specific. For example, the street name only. Create a character style named Street. Leave the style settings none. It doesn't have to look any different. Its purpose is just so the script can detect content that uses it. Now go through each page and set the street name to this character style. Run the script again, and this time, use the character style Street. There it is. Now let's name files by image. In the Links panel, you can see the image names. I've named the agent photo with last name, comma, first name. Run the script and set the method to image name. And you can see each page is named by the agent photo file name. But wait, there are 2 images on each page. How does the script know which to use? Stacking order. See here in the Layers panel. The agent photo is higher in the stacking order. By default, the script uses the first element it finds, starting from the top and moving down the stacking order. This applies to the style methods as well, if there are more than one text element assigned the selected style. To go from bottom to top instead, Use the script option Reverse Search. The script has used the property image names instead. Keep in mind the images you want for file names and where they are in the stacking order. Now suppose nothing on the page is what you want for a file name. Then add it to the page. Just don't print it. The script sees everything on the page, even non-printing content. To demonstrate, I have another layer, and for it, I've unchecked Print Layer. So none of this layer appears on the final output. To this layer, I've added a text frame on each page with my desired file name. This choice is a combination of the agent's last name and the street address. Just for example, it could be anything. Next, I'll create a new paragraph style, file name, and assign it to these non-printing paragraphs. Run the script and select the paragraph style, file name. And there you go. As you can imagine, the script should work in many situations, given a little time to set up the document. Download it and give it a try. See the link in the description. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.